What's up, y'all? I really want to vlog, and the reason why I don't is because I honestly don't really do anything. I stay at home with Zari, and that's about it. So I don't think too many people want to see me sitting around playing with him, playing on my phone, trying to edit a video, trying to record a video, cooking, cleaning, sleeping, showering. Like, that's literally my day-to-day. That's what I do. And when I do go out with my family, it's usually really quick, not vlog worthy for the most part. Going to the grocery store. I mean, sometimes we go to the park. I don't know, it's just been really hard to find vlog worthy opportunities that are genuine and natural and organic, and that's not staged or fake. Like, if I'm gonna vlog, I don't want it to be staged. I don't want it to be like, oh, this is good video content. I want it to be, this is what we're doing as a family and I'm going to document it. So really, honestly, nothing has happened that is worthy of vlogging, and I'm not sure if I want to just like put vlog content out just because, even though it's boring. Plus, with my boyfriend, he's not used to it. He hasn't done that before. He hasn't recorded his life and then put it on the internet. So I just feel like it would be awkward for me to just like bust out our camera while we're at like a restaurant eating, having a conversation, and you know, it'd be genuine and not, you know how you get like when you get in front of a camera and it's like I don't know, I feel like I'm doing a lot of explaining about why I don't vlog, but I really want to vlog. If you want to see vlog footage, maybe I can do like I don't know, maybe I can just do like a day in the life, and that's like a one video situation. Like, that's not really like a weekly vlog, or maybe I should do a weekly vlog. I'm not sure. Right now, Zari is sleeping, and I have 2 videos that are supposed to be going up today, or not today, this week, and I haven't even recorded anything to edit. There's nothing recorded, so I'm trying to figure that out while he sleeps. So as you guys know, I am a minimalist. I'll talk about that in another video. But so I've been like trying to get away. I've been trying to give away so many of my clothes. I either don't wear them, I don't like them, they're not my style, or whatever. So this is like a straight to Goodwill bag, and a lot of these items here, like it's an entire duffel bag full, are basically like I'm gonna try to sell at like Buffalo Exchange, or I'm not really into selling online because I'm not gonna package this stuff up. I'm not gonna go to the post office. I'm not doing any of that. Okay, this is basically all the clothes that I own here, and honestly, a lot of these are jackets or cardigans, so not even like real like outfits. So a lot of these pieces are like seasonal or cover up. So this is everything I own: winter, summer, spring, fall. Even here I have my shoes down here, and then also a few in the front in the living room where we keep our like a shoe rack by the door. Oh, okay, also I used to have so many books, so now I just narrowed it down to these here. And what I've recently started doing is going to the library. So these are the books here. If I ever want to read them, I can go to the library and read them. I don't need to have them taking up room on my shelf when I'm not even thinking about them. They're not even on my mind. They're not even, I'm not gonna read them. So what I did was I just looked at all of the titles on my shelf, and I looked them up in the library catalog online. And if they said they had that book, it goes in this pile. So this pile here is leaving. I'm getting rid of these books. They're taking up space, and I can read them whenever I want from the library for free. Look who woke up. While he was sleeping, I was trying to finish studying and doing my exams, because I'm trying to get this certificate. I teach English online, and so I just wanted to get this certificate to make it more, I guess, official, so I can maybe pick up more classes and whatnot. So he woke up while I was in the middle of that, so I'm gonna have to finish that another time. But while he's up now, I'm gonna let him play, and I'm gonna hopefully get some things done around the house. Gotta wash the dishes and clean up, so let's do it. Let's change your butt. So all of a sudden I hear this loudness and it's raining. This has been by far the rainiest summer I have ever experienced. I don't get it. Every time we try to go swimming, I bought him a swim diaper and everything, but every time he try to go swimming, it rains. It never fails. Never. You saw the car drive by? You saw the car? Yeah, the rain is slowing down. While Zari is happy and fed, I'm going to try and finish up this book. It is overdue from the library, so let me go ahead and get some reading done. So I didn't get a chance to get any reading done. As you can see, the book is in the playpen because I had to get in there with him. But now I'm hungry. My boyfriend usually makes the bomb bagel sandwiches. I'm gonna try to do it myself. Zari's pulling on my hair. Stay at home mom life. What can you say? So, yeah. Right. That's what you can say. Huh? Oh, you wanna talk to me? Alright, cool. This is a vegan cheese. Follow your heart and pepper jack. Salt and pepper. I think he puts tomatoes on his, but I hate tomatoes, so won't be doing that. And also we use everything bagels. Good morning, good morning. So I just got out the shower and made breakfast. What I'm having for breakfast, oatmeal. It does not look that appetizing because, so I'm just having oatmeal with chia seeds and blueberries. Just a little basic oatmeal. Hopefully we get out the house and do something today, right? Fingers crossed. Sorry. Are you ready? Huh? Are you ready? This is Zari's first time at splash pad or any type of water park. Hey boo! You see the water? Huh? You don't like it? Kinda likes it, kinda, not really. Ooh, the sun is out. You get real close, man. Uh-oh, hey. Run to daddy. What? You don't like it no more? Look at your hair, man. Y'all, we just got home from the splash pad and it just started raining. So I'm about to give Zari a snack of mangoes. We don't do baby food. We've never done puree food. He's had food that we've eaten. So we do baby-led weaning. You want some? It has been several hours now since we got home. We all took naps. That's it. I'm probably gonna end this vlog here. I know it wasn't very exciting, but that's what normal day-to-day life is for us. We did go to the water situation sprayground, so that was fun. I think Zari kind of enjoyed it. I think Also, I am like super sore. I've been getting very sore lately. Like my muscles, my calves, my thighs, all that's been getting sore. So I think I'm gonna make me a magnesium body butter. Right. That'll probably be the next video after this one. So I will see you guys later. Bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. Right. Okay, bye for real this time.